Hello guys! How are you? Yan na po ko diri. Nagkuhan-kuhan sa inyo. Gumot kaya akong balay guys. Kapay kaya siguro ko sa akin man ako. Ay, kaya kung paano nagkuhan sa dishwasher. Say hello darling.
Hello, darling.
What are you doing?
Cleaning up my kitchen.
Cleaning the mess?
Yes.
Cleaning the mess? Rinse it first please.
Cleaning the other person's mess.
Huh?
Cleaning the other person's mess.
No, it's not my mess. Huh? It's my mess or it's your mess? Gubot kaayo among balagi kapoy kog limpyo. Manes, yan nagabutang sa dishwasher. Kay gikapoy ko. Diba? This one too, darling. Balay na ako nga gubot kaayo. Ang gisamok-samok.
I'm not for hire.
Why? Gubot among balay guys ha. Mine lang.
Because I'm already worn out. Too old. Bigger one, ayo.
Tiguang na?
Uh-oh.
You are tiguang na, isn't it? But that's okay. Good tiguang, good tiguang.
I'm still working, but just slow.
Slow lang daw siya. Okay, thank you guys. Ang akong mana, thank you.
Slow, but cheap.